How to see locations on photos in iPhone, step by step. At first, open image and tap on eye icon. You will see all the details. Just tap on left side of the direction and this is the coordinates details. Just tap and hold and copy. Let's open Google Maps. At search, tap and hold and paste the coordinate and submit. Now you can see the location, and if you want to share, just tap on share button and copy. Now you can share with anyone on any medium. So as I am sharing on WhatsApp, so tap and hold, paste and wait for some time for preview and send. That's all. Other person easily gets your shared location and it's easier for them to reach at the point.